Hi, I'm Meng Chang Hsieh, and this is the walkthrough video of my project, Body Watcher. So, from the ongoing page, you could see here is the welcome page. And press start right here. Here is some walkthrough to tell you what this app could do for you. And if you click on return, you will go back to the re- last page. And here is the login page. You could choose to log in with your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account. And if you don't have an account, if you have to register, just press the don't have an account. And this is the register page. So after you type in your names, your first name, last name, your gender, your email, and your phone, you can create an account. And to start by using this application, you have to have a membership coming with the product, the IoT product, the smart collar, which is called Body Care collar. So this product will come with an ID right here. If you type in your ID, you could have a 7-day members free trial. But after 7 days, you have to subscribe for $3.99 every month. So this is the home page of the Body Watcher. So for the home page, you could see here are some status of the dog. First of all is his heart rate and the sleep quality, the sleep time. You could see it's 13 hours, and it was analysis by the AI says it's good in a good status, and the active level is quite low. Maybe it's because it's staying in the house for a whole day. And here is the stress level. It shows the dog doesn't have really much stress these days by analyzing through the HRVs about his sleep time, his active tracker, the active sensor, and everything. And right here is the text to bit speech features. If you press on this button, it could use speeches to tell you about all the informations right here. You can see uh, in speech just for those, just for people with disables. And next we'll go to tracker page. So right here is the tracker page. This page is associated with the IoT smart collar. So this is a pre-scanned map of uh, map of your house. And for these scenarios, the dogs is living in their kitchen. So you could see on their map, there is a table right here, the dining table, the fridge, and here's the kitchen table, the sink, everything, the stove, and it will labeled up. You could pre-label like a few stuff that you think it would be dangerous, or maybe some things you don't want your dog to approach, like the knives or the fridge, because the fridge and the trash can contains a lot of things that it's poisonous to the dog. So you wouldn't want your dog to approach this parts. Is quite restrict area for him, for it. So if the dog is approaching through this labeled furniture is like maybe 20 to 30 seconds over, then it will send a notification to this app, and then the users can decide whether to send a lot to the dog through the smart collar. It will be a slight beep sound and associating with the vibration. And by pre-training, your dog will understand that this is a signal to tell it that it shouldn't be approaching these furnitures. And here's are the GPS tracker, which is labeled in red because it's for emergencies using. So if your dog escaped from your house, you will get a stronger notification different than the normal one. and tell you there is the possibility that your dog is getting lost. So you could click on the GPS tracker and it will take you to the pages that just like an air tag to show you where your dog is currently at, and maybe you could find your way to retrieve your dog. And here is the AI chat page. So with this app, there's a care assistant, which is an AI which could help you to answer with any kind of questions you have with your dog while you're trying to do your pet caring. So in this scenario, you could see that the user asks the AI that should should he stop his dog from playing with other dogs because he sees his dog's tail is shaking like in a really high level, but he's not sure is that does that means that the dog is very nervous or is it just happy? So the care assistance you can see is based by AI with a wider knowledge about pet caring. So it tells the dog is held high when there's playing. It could mean they're just excited or feel dominate. So to watch, it teaches the user to watch your body language. And right here, you can see the text to speech button for also to include the disabled person. And from here is where you could write your message to send to this AI chat room. And right here is a voice input function, also including for disabled persons. If they have difficult in typing, they can use these features to turn their speeches into sentences to send to the AI chat room. And right here, you could send your photos, like maybe a scan photo of your dog's poop or maybe a posture of your dog to let the AI analysis for you that is the dog is feeling unwell or maybe if its health is good enough. And also it will be recorded into the background uh, for your dog's health status. And right here is the profile page. So you could see from the top of here is the user's profile, and down here is the dog profile. You could also change it in any time if you click on the pen icon right here. And here's the dog profile. You could see his dog's name is Dooney, and the breed is mixed. And you also can record its weight. And right here, you could also record the medical records for everything for information for the AI to get a customized analysis for your dog. And right here is a membership. You can see from the last part we're doing, we're registering a new account. So the 7-day free trial are just starting. And right here, you could click on to subscribe for 30.99 a month for the membership. And the membership is for the tracking function. Right here is the product, the smart collar. And right here is the GPS, but the GPS function actually requires for the membership to use because it requires for an LTE 4G network. But if you didn't subscribe, you can't have this function. You can only have the indoor function right here with the tracker for indoor because this function is actually only need based on Wi-Fi. But right here, the GPS needs an 4G LTE network. And right here, you could also share the product to your friends to ask them to join in this community. And right here is a little photo of the micro speaker that you could send signal to your dog. It's actually behind this GPS right here. And that's everything for this walkthrough video. Thank you very much.